Welcome to Funshine Express Early Learning Curricula. Let us show you what you'll get in every Fireflies monthly preschool box. When you open your box, you'll find teacher and children's supplies to learn and explore. There are 2 themes per month. With your first order, you'll receive a starter pack with a concept cube and wall displays and other items you can use throughout the year. The teacher pack is filled with teaching materials that you can use all month. The most important item in every teacher pack is the curriculum guide. In it, you'll find lesson plans, and it's filled with daily activities. Inside, you'll also find instructions for everything that is in your box. Every month, you'll receive 2 high-quality children's books to go along with current themes and to expand your library. You choose between practice pages or journals for each child. Numbers, letters, and shapes are included, as well as newsletters to send home to each child's family. There's so much more in your box. We send a variety of unique and colorful materials for children to create 15 projects a month. Art materials are organized to save you time. Each bag is labeled to help you find the activity in your curriculum guide. Teacher resources and children's supplies are delivered to simplify your day and create excitement for learning. Order your box today at funshineexpress.com.